I'm about to do a hearing.
Good afternoon. This is call number 2014-33540 in the interest of Eleni Figueroa. All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn. And unmute yourself, Mr. Figueroa. Unmute yourself. Okay. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Bridget Seraphin, and I am the mother.
Sir, your name and your relationship to the child. Sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Jose Antonio Figueroa. I'm their father.
All right, and representing the state.
Marcella Turner.
We've got a suit for modification of support order and motion to confirm support arrearage. We're having
That's
a
correct, Your Honor.
hearing. Do we have any stipulations?
We do, Your Honor.
All right, read them into the record, please.
The parties have agreed to a child support judgment as of June 30th of 2021 in the amount of $10,440.50. The parties have agreed that Mr. Figueroa will pay $150 on that judgment beginning August 1st of 2021. The parties have also agreed to a medical support judgment in the amount of $7,342.59. As of June 30th of 2021, Mr. Figueroa has agreed to pay $50 on that judgment beginning August 1st of 2021. The parties have also agreed to a cash medical support amount in the amount of $292 beginning August 1st of 2021. And additionally, the parties have agreed to a modified child support amount in the amount of $830 beginning August 1st of 2021. Includes the stipulations, Your Honor.
All right, so far as that's your agreement, Mr. Figueroa
Yes, sir.
and Ms. Serafin?
Yes.
All right, so what is the issues?
The non-disclosure issues.
All right, let's proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, the state would like to call Ms. Seraphin. Ms. Seraphin, has there been any family violence to occur between yourself and Mr. Figueroa within the last 2 years?
Yes, there have been. One of the occasions was when it was his weekend to pick up my daughter from the location that I'm living at. He got mad. I can't recall the issue, why he was upset, and it got physical. He hit me in front of my daughter and he flew the scene. I called 911. And actually at the apartments that he was staying at, there was a officer there. That's when they were able to talk to him, and he said that he did do what he did that day.
And does Mr. Figueroa know where you currently live?
Yes, he does.
And has he ever threatened or harmed the children?
That day, no, he has never said anything to harm, like that he's going to harm my daughter, but he is a person that he does get mad easily. So I usually, all I do when he picks up my daughter, I open the door and my daughter leaves, goes with him, and that's it.
And so
I don't have anything else.
If you were to change addresses, do you believe that you changing address and Mr. Figueroa having access to that address could possibly put you in harm's way?
So as me knowing him in the way that he is, it could possibly happen. I would prefer to meet somewhere else, and I just give him my daughter and then pick her up at that same location. But not if I get to have an address, home or apartment, wherever it is, I don't want him to know where it's at.
Okay. Outside of the incident that you just explained to the court, have there been any other incidents to occur either within the last 2 years or that you believe the court needs to be made aware of regarding why?
Just that time where we had to get police involved. And I have a report for that. I don't have the report number with me now, but there was a report made of the incident.
Okay. Well, no further questions for this witness. I'll pass the witness.
Mr. Figueroa, do you have any questions of Ms. Serafin?
Yes, sir. I've been hearing what you've been saying, which that's a lie. So
Okay, wait
we're
a
not
minute.
gonna go
Wait
to,
a minute. Listen to me. Do you have any questions of Ms. Serafin?
I just want for her to say the truth about that incident that happened, which
Okay,
that's not the truth what she's been saying.
you're making a statement now. Do you have any
Yes, sir.
questions for her? I'm gonna let you say something later, but do you have any questions for her right now? She's on the witness stand.
The only thing that I wanted for her, like,
Do you have a question?
yes, sir.
What's the question?
I just want for her just to follow the agreement that we have, so I can have my daughter on the vacation time that I should supposed to have my daughter. That's all I'm asking.
Is that a question?
Yes, sir.
I didn't hear a question. All you're saying is what you want.
I just want for her if she can help me out.
Can you help him out? Ms. Serafin?
To our agreement, our yearly agreement, that's how it's going to be, and that's how the way I signed my child support document. So I feel that it should be that way. 1 year that he
Well,
needs to keep her, and 1 year I'm going to keep him. That's the only way I can help him. I can't help him no other way because there's no way for me to talk to him.
You have another question for her, Mr. Figueroa?
Yes, sir. Well, it's not a question. It's just the answer about what she's saying.
I'm gonna let you say something. I'm gonna
she's
let
not-
you say something in a little while. Right now, the only thing
Okay.
you can do
Yes,
is
sir.
ask a question. Do you have a question to ask her?
No, sir.
All right, call your next witness, Ms. Turner.
At this time, the state would like to call Mr. Figueroa. Mr. Figueroa, have there been any incidents of family violence to occur between yourself and Ms. Serafine within the last 2 years?
No, ma'am. Just the only issues been having. I haven't had my daughter the way I'm supposed to be having. I've been having police reports, and
Objection non-responsive.
Okay, listen to the question, Mr. Figueroa.
Have there been any incidents of family violence to take place between yourself and Ms. Serafine?
no, ma'am.
And based off of the testimony that Ms. Serafine just testified to, are you stating that that incident did not take place?
Yeah, it did happen, but it's not like an incident because I did make a report to the police stations about what happened, and they just told me just to not get close to the house. That was it. There was no incident. I didn't touch her. I didn't do anything.
Okay, so could you briefly explain to the court, to your recollection, what took place at that incident?
I'm sorry. What was the question?
Could you explain to the court, to the best of your recollection, what happened regarding the incident that Ms. Serafine has referred to in her testimony?
Yes, ma'am. That day, I went and pick up our daughter, and I don't know how everything started. She just started getting mad, cussing at me and stuff. So she pushed me. So I tried to just pull her back, and then she threw me a basket full of clothes and some weird wash soap and stuff like that. So I just left the house and went to the police station. So I didn't want no problems.
And so are you testifying that you never threatened or harmed or put your hands on Ms. Serafine?
No, she touched me. She touched me. She started throwing clothes at me and a full basket full of clothes. and stuff like that. So what I did, I just left the house and went to the police department and make a report about it.
And are you in agreement with Ms. Seraphine's address not being disclosed in this order?
No, ma'am. Like I
And
said, I
why is
had an
that?
issue with her. I want to know where my daughter is so I can go pick her up. And that's the only thing I just wanted.
No further questions for this witness. I'll pass the witness.
Ms. Serafin, you have any questions of Mr. Figueroa?
No, sir.
All right. Any other witnesses, Ms. Turner?
No further witnesses, Your Honor.
So, Ms. Serafin, this happened when?
I don't have the exact date,
No,
but it
give me a
was
month, year.
month. It was around June, and 2 years ago. It was exactly 2 years ago. So 2019.
So it was a little over 2 years ago. This is July.
Yes, June.
All right. And since that time, has there been any further confrontations like that?
No, sir. All I do, like I said, is just open the door, let my daughter out, make sure she goes with him, and go back inside, and that's it. I mean,
And before
There
that, were
hasn't
there any confrontations like that?
yes.
And what can you tell me
What
about those?
Yeah, we were together. We were living together when these occasions happened, but I've never made reports or anything like that.
All right, court is going to deny the non-disclosure.
Thank you, Your Honor. May the parties be excused?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Serafine and Mr. Figueroa, please log back into the other Zoom so they can conclude the order for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
May I talk to the judge?
All right, no. He's instructing
talk
Ms.
to the
Turner what he
judge?
needs to. No, sir. I've already made the ruling. That's it. I don't talk to people after I make a ruling. Okay. Go ahead, Ms. And Ms. Turner, are you handling the Holmes case?
Yes, Your Honor. I believe just waiting on the FINA. I thought it had already been sent. I'm verifying
The
that.
order?
The order should be there, but the financial activity report, I thought it was sent, but I'm verifying that it's actually been sent.
Maria's going to go see. Okay.
Okay.
And these are no answer. Well, it looks like there was a reset order signed, right? They both signed.
Yes,
They both
and
signed
we have,
reset order. Okay.
I believe we have notice that was sent
Yes.
to him.
All right. This is call number 2018-51235 in the interest of Davion Holmes. Please identify yourself for the record and who you represent.
Marcella Turner, I represent the state of Texas.
All right. Court will note that the custodial parent, Shania Moore, is not present. She was personally served on January 14th, 2021 at 3:38 p.m. at 13503 North Thorntree Drive, apartment 176 in Houston, Harris County, Texas. I'll also note that the non-custodial parent, Davion Holmes, is not present. He was personally served uh, on February 11th, 2021 at 8:37 a.m. at 11034 Highway 36, Clemens Unit, Brazoria County, Brazoria, Texas. It appears that both parties.
One
Oh,
party.
no, no. Oh, I'm sorry. Just the mother. Okay. Father has not filed an answer.
That is correct, Your Honor, to my records. He has not.
Okay. And mother appeared in court at some point on March 25th. And signed a reset order for today. It appears also that the father was given further notice of this hearing by certified mail that was delivered at 11:31 a.m. on June 21st, 2021, and he has not made an appearance, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll proceed by default. That's to both parties.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, the state would ask that the court take judicial notice of the prior court order signed on of 2018, where Mr. Holmes was ordered to pay $220 in child support and $50 in cash medical support, both of those to begin on September 1st of 2018.
Okay.
The state would also like to offer into evidence what has been marked as State's Exhibit 1, or the letter A, which is the financial activity report in this matter.
It's not marked, but I'll mark it States Exhibit 1. Is admitted.
Thank you, Your Honor. After review of Mr. Holmes's status, the state has found that Mr. Holmes is currently incarcerated for a period to exceed 90 days of incarceration. The state is asking the court to modify the child support and cash medical support both to zero beginning August 1st of 2021. The state is also asking the court to enter a child support judgment as of June 30th of 2021 in the amount of $8,060.80, and to order zero or nothing to be paid on that judgment. The state is also asking the court to enter a medical support judgment as of June 30th of 2021 in the amount of $1,832, and to not order a payout on that judgment as well. That concludes the state's request regarding this matter. The court is, I'm sorry, and the state is asking that the court approve this default order.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.